ma'am, to shed a little light on this question, that who is more impacted by this digital stress? Is it the teachers or the children?
I would like to put it in this way. See, anything and everything in excess is harmful, whether it is food, whether it is water, whether it is anything. See, this whatever digital, this is to make life more convenient and globalization and knowledge at your disposal wherever and whenever you need it. When it comes to stress related to this, it is because of lack of discipline and somewhere disorganization from our own end, whether it is a teacher, whether it is a student. The teacher has her own life where she needs to take care of her personal life, her kids who are studying probably academics, syllabus, and teachers' life is nowadays very very hard, especially when it comes to public schools where I see them. The unending post-scholastic activities along with academics, the events like sports meet, cultural meet, English club, this club, and being a class teacher, they have multiple things to take care of, and they're mostly dependent on digital medium to get all the information and organize everything on time, manage their time better. So they end up spending more time on net and more time doing using this digital media, whether it is social media, whether it is letter preparation, report making, lessons preparation, whatever it is. The same is with the student as well. Nowadays there is no paper pen usage. Even if they have a notes, if they have written notes, if they have the syllabus, they try to explore on the net what else can be learned, what else is easier, how they can learn more easily. And for recreation, any child and every child today, high schoolers, they prefer sitting on the net, connecting through social media with their friends or exploring Google, whatever. So the spending of the screen time has increased so much. For teachers, maybe it's a compulsion, but for students, it has become a hobby as well as a routine work. So this is leading to stress in the sensory overload. You know, when your senses are picking up information somewhere, it needs to be balanced out, and a time needs to be given for the brain to process it and discard the unwanted. All this process takes up some time. I'm putting it in very simple words for everyone to understand, because there are many theories and number of technical things that can explain this process in a better way, but I'm just putting it in a very simple way. This sensory overload leads to stress because the unprocessed information is still active, even while we are sleeping in the night. Brain is actively processing all the information. When this is happening, we are not sleeping peacefully. That is the reason so many of us wake up with a heavy headaches, and with fatigue. And this results in students having many kinds of side effects like fatigue, anxiety, sleeplessness, then no, not feeling very hungry, weak, lethargic. All these things are interrelated. It's a vicious circle. The circle needs to be broken, and we need to take up a healthier, disciplined lifestyle where we are just using the digital medium to learn something, and also giving ourselves time to exercise, time to take out time to enjoy the nature, do other things which are not screen limited. You know, that is how we can discipline, whether it is a student, whether it is a teacher. And when it comes to who is more affected, I think everyone is affected. So we cannot here say that this one is more affected, this one is less affected. The effect is depending on the age and health issues. I think teachers suffer more because they have multiple things to do, multiple responsibilities, multitasking more at home and personally, professionally. This is what I can say about this.
Yeah, I so agree with you, Uma ma'am. Right, a sensory overload is something which we everybody each one of us are facing. Right, so we carry forward the day's tension into night, and then we wake up with a heavy head, as you anxious, for the next day how it will be passed. So it is a definite overload. Anyways, so even